Hey y'all, I'm back, and today we got a series of "Can I pet that dog?" reaction videos all about the doggies. Like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy.
Cause I don't care.
Yeah, immediately no. Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Got that booty throw up. Ooh, got that spanking.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. I'm dead again. I'm up. Run fast.
I don't appreciate you sending your shorty over here to handle business.
Ooh.
You handle your own business.
He said, "Why? I got her. Look at her. She finna handle that business. My man said so." Get him.
Look,
Get him.
whatever your man sent you over here to do, go on about your business, little baby. Because I ain't for it. Go.
What you do to them?
Girl.
Ooh.
You got me messed up, Luke.
Ooh.
You just farted.
Oh, he made
I heard
the
it.
dog
You just farted.
nervous.
That's what you get. You get nervous.
Ooh.
Because I run this mother.
He said, "I'm
Excuse
gonna
me?
get him later. It's okay, baby. I got
But
it."
oh, yeah.
He mad.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
I was only going 27 over. Sir, you ran over a child. Is that what that was?
Two best friends in a room, they might kiss. Yes, we will.
What? Yes, we will.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Ah, stay toxic. That dog is having a serious difficulty. What y'all do to her? Y'all don't want to play with her. Y'all better play with her. She's serious. Look, she's trying to get him. Look, play with me, play with me. He's like, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Aw, y'all better play with that baby. Look at the baby. Aw. She gonna get mad at y'all. Y'all done made her mad. What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that.
Bye, sweetie. You have a nice day. Oh, I hope you have the best day. Come here, let me give you some loving.
Yeah.
Oh, you're
Give
so
your baby
pretty.
some
You're gonna have a
loving.
great day. I hope you dream,
hope you-
and I hope you
yeah.
chew on your bones. I hope you have a good day. Bye.
Peace.
Oh no, I can't do that. No, I'm not
He
doing
said, "I ain't
that. I'm
getting caught
sorry.
up, okay."
Hello,
I got my ankles microwaved.
X-ray,
They took my blood away to use for science.
cholesterol test,
April had her sinuses removed.
looked at.
Some guy looked at my wiener, touched it. That was weird.
And that guy wasn't even a doctor.
I just got back from the doctor and got good news. Doctor said I was a beast.
Hey, he lit.
No. He said you was obese, meaning you're fat.
Ooh. He said, "Oh, beast, not beast."
How much that thing cost anyway? $800.
$800.
Yes. You paid $800? Yeah.
That's how
Did
it
you
is.
feel violated?
Yeah.
Show me the reason you have no money.
Waking up thinking your dog is whining because he has to go potty.
Ooh, the dog. The dog could suffocate. The dog's "Mama, I need help. Help me now. I can't see. Barely can breathe." They be so excited for daddy. Ooh. And then you all record. That's how it be.
Grandma kept teasing me today.
What did
she say?
She said my jeans were too small.
That's not teasing you, dear.
I said, keep talking.
Ooh.
She wasn't talking. She
She just told me
She
she was
just gonna laugh at
Okay,
me.
Derek, listen.
I
I'm
said,
trying to
keep laughing.
Okay, listen. I'm
Keep
trying to tell you
laughing.
what she told
She
me.
kept laughing, so I started calling her name. She gonna say, "Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me."
Okay, this is getting ridiculous, right? I don't.
So I grabbed a stick and I was like,
Oh.
Sadie, put down the duck. Sadie, it is alive. Leave the duck alone. Sadie,
the dog
release.
kidnapped the duck.
Release. Leave it alone. All right, baby, you better go.
He said, baby,
you better run. Go, baby.
That dog. That
So
duck
far,
is
my barking
sharp.
has saved Mom from being murdered by 17 Amazon drivers, 9 mailmen, 2 UPS drivers, and 1 sketchy-looking plastic bag, and yet she still remains ungrateful.
Ah. That dog said, immediately no. Immediately no. I'm sick of this.
Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
"It's just men." I know, but I'm scared.
My dad always like, well, I said no. Well, Mom said yes.
Mom said yeah.
She said I could. She said I can.
Never.
If you want to take over her, be my guest.
That's what I love. Nestle Crunch.
That dog got a bug down in the park. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Period.
Tell me what kind of dog would treat us on us so cold.
Yeah, don't touch me.
You little angry little black man. You running from the Holy Ghost. I give you treat and dog foods every night. You snaggle too, baby. Kingy.
He mad.
I want you to lose your attitude with me. You angry black man. Boy, you look snaggle to baby. With the you ain't no but a fake bite. Oh, gee. You got some new babies in there. You ain't taking care of them. Ain't got no job. I'm sick of it. Just
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it.
Let's go. If you want it, then you get it. Let me know.
Keep that up. I'm gonna punch you so hard. I will punch you like you've never been punched before. I hope your power's working, because I'm about to punch your lights out.
And then BAM! She got hit by a big truck. What? She was in a coma for a week.
Oh, don't tell anyone I said this, but you're my favorite.
What about mommy?
Scooby.
She said what?
No.
Hopeful. Yes, I am. Hopeful for today. Get music.
I'm off this, because I'm ready to beat the baby.
The dog is over it. Pretty mama name when a pretty boy swag. Get out the way. Pretty boy walking through. Me and my crew, and we swag it through the room.
Where are you?
I'm over here. Wait a minute. Ain't your restroom this way? Because I got to pee, and you better have some toilet paper, and the seat
It
better
definitely
be
getting
there.
cold outside. Oh, she got him now. She got him. You gotta catch it. Yeah. Oh, she trapped out. What she gonna do now? Oh, come on, man. And that's the end of our series. Can I pet that dog? I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you.